gorgeous. So today, I'm stuck in quarantine. We're all in quarantine or social distancing, self-isolation, whatever it is. We're all stuck in our houses, right? I had no idea what to do with this video until I decided I'll put on makeup today. Why not? So a lot of my palettes that I own are Tarte. Actually, a lot of makeup that I own in general is Tarte or Urban Decay, because both those brands are cruelty-free and a lot of their products are vegan, which I love. Tarte's definitely my favorite makeup brand. So I literally just looked on YouTube for a particular Tarte palette that I have. Should have gotten this out. It's called the Unleashed palette. I love it, I'm a fan. So I literally just looked on YouTube for a tutorial for this palette, and today we're gonna be doing that. The tutorial, I clicked on the one with the most views. It's by Maryam Maquillage. I think that's how you say it. Wait.
Maryam here.
Yeah, Maryam Maquillage. And so I'm gonna link that, obviously, like down here or something, and I'll also link it in the description, because thank you for making me look beautiful. Yeah, I already primed my face and moisturized and stuff, and now we're gonna get started. But first, I'm going to put on my makeup robe. Has the name on it, super cute. Courtesy of my international directors when I was National United Miss. It even had my title on the back. How cute is that? And even though I'm currently Miss Pennsylvania Teen, I still wear this robe because I like it and it's mine. Fight me. Let's see what we're doing. So, we're gonna grab a brush. It's a very fluffy brush, so I will be using my Harry Potter brushes that my best friend Stephanie gave me for my 16th birthday. They're so cute, they're little Harry Potter ones. The one I will be using right now is Dumbledore's wand, or the Elder one, and I guess we're dipping it into Two Can Do It, which is this orange one right here. Ah, you're going too fast! She's going too fast! Alright, Maryam, make me pretty. We're gonna see this tutorial all the way through, even if it doesn't work out for me, so let's go. Okay. Put that brush down. I'm gonna pick up a different brush. This is not a Harry Potter brush, not that cool. It's just a Bare Minerals brush. So I guess now we're picking up No Fox Given. All of these have like animal names. I think that's really cool. So it's this one right here. Again, vibrant. Okay. Let's see. What are we doing, Maryam? So I mean, yeah, these colors, very vibrant. I'm a fan. If you're looking for like a bolder look, I mean, I recommend. When I use this palette, this is actually my first time ever using this particular color, No Fox Given. I tend to go for more of like the neutral shades, but like I don't hate it. Do I look like a fox yet?
Slash crease. Really impressive. Flip back to the other side and just blend those two together on the.
Okay. So we're gonna put. There's an ad. Why is there an ad in the middle of my YouTube video? Because I'm not paying for YouTube Red. That's why. Hold up.
In the outer portion of the.
We're putting this below our. Alright. Okay. No fox given. No fox given. Alright, we're going down here for some reason. This is not the brush I use for this part of my face. But okay. Okay. This is fine. We're fine. We're all chilling. She made this face. Ma'am. This is another color in this palette that I just haven't used. It's a goldish color. It's called Monkey Business. Let me grab a brush really quickly. We'll grab this one. Okay. It's right here. It's called Monkey Business. Again, like, she's just picking all the colors that I haven't used. Like, I've used totally, okay? It's this blue one right here, but I've never used, like, No Fox Given. And now we know why. So what are we doing with this color? It looks less bad now than it did before. It looks less scary.
Oh, how about this one right here? Bare necessities. Speaking of bears.
Okay, we're gonna do bare necessity. This is a color that I use a lot. I love this color. It's like a really dark brown. I use it in like the corner of my eye for like a smoky look. What are we doing with it?
Did you guys know some people?
Oh, she's doing the same thing. Beautiful. Okay. There's my corner brush. I can do this. Do you know where this works on her? Because she's not really pale. She has like a normal complexion, you know, like one that's not, oh dear God, what did I do? One that's not like incredibly pale where she's almost translucent. So that's probably why this works on her. I'm too pale. This is not. What did I do? Oh my God. Alright, we'll leave it on for the day. We'll see what happens. When my mom comes back from the hospital, she's just gonna look at me and be all like, this is what you did in your free time today? This is the content you're posting on YouTube? I hate everything! I don't. Why does this look good on her? Hi guys, sorry if the camera placement's a little off. I just got a phone call, had to move my phone. It is a mess. Alright, let's continue.
Here is just begging me to be placed right here for just.
Okay. So this color that we're using right now is called I Wanna Love You. I'll use this brush. For those of you that don't know, this is Harry's one. Using this color, I Wanna Love You. It's very pink. Next time I do a makeup tutorial, I'm gonna find someone that's like extremely pale, like almost translucent, because they're gonna know what colors to use for me. That's gonna work. We definitely have a lot of dimension. There's like a lot of dimension to this look. Ooh, this is easily my favorite color in this whole palette, Your Lion. We'll be using this for the inner corner. That I know how to do. It's this color right here. And now we're using Swan Song, which is this white color right here. I use that one all the time too. I'm a fan. And I guess we're putting this up here for some reason. I will never understand people that understand makeup. That's not. Oh, thank God. I'm not feeling. I love this color. Again, this is another color that I use a lot. So I forgot to mention that this wand actually belongs to Ron Weasley. Yeah, so that's the one that we used for like this part, right? And now this one we're using is actually Hermione Granger's wand. You know, gotta love Harry Potter. So, okay, again, we're taking this color Qualified for the lower lash line. Again, I use this color a lot. It's a really nice color. I'm a fan. And it means we get rid of no fox given on the lower lash line. Very thankful for that. On the bright side, probably would have never used this color otherwise. Getting full use out of the palette. This goes down very deep. We're gonna take some concealer to that. Oh, I can't. I said I was not gonna take off any makeup during this process, so we're gonna take some concealer to it instead. That's the plan. That's what we're gonna do. Yep. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. We had an issue where I could not find my makeup sponge. We found it. We've located it. I use a makeup sponge by Morphe because I'm broke and it's cheap and it works. So yeah, the concealer that I used is from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. It's also by Tarte. We love Tarte in the color Fair because, like I've been saying throughout this video, I'm pale. It's really cute. It goes with my foundation. I used to use their Shape Tape. I'm honestly a fan of this better. It's like water-based and I really like it. So we're just gonna fix that up just a little bit. And we'll apply some regular concealer while we're at it, you know, kill two birds with one stone. I don't like that expression. Why are you killing birds? Why are you using a stone? See how bouncy it is? I love it. It's very bouncy. That is literally so much better. Like, this look, like, works a lot better now for me, at least. And, you know, keep in mind, she didn't have it, like, as low as I did, because she's, like, a professional and knows what she's doing, and I'm me. So we're mixing, we are mixing No Fox Given, right, my favorite color, with Party Animal. I've used this color literally once before, and you know, like, it didn't look bad, but I also didn't mix it with this one. We're doing this one anyway, okay. On the lower lash line. Okay. Oh, this is not a Harry Potter brush, this is a mermaid brush. It was given to me when I went to Jamaica, when I was National United Miss by my directors. Again, they like to spoil us. Yeah, we got all the girls in the divisions that are allowed to wear makeup, so that was junior teen and up, were given mermaid makeup brushes. Really cute. I'm a fan of them. You guys probably can't see the bottom over there, but like this color, like it looks really good. I just wouldn't pair it with the Two Can Do It and No Fox Given. Now we are using Totally, which is, it's a greenish blue shade. It's the one that I said I've used before. It's this one right here. And we're going into the inside of our lower lash line. And again, like I totally pair this color with Party Animal. I've done that before. The one time that I did use Party Animal, I paired it with this color. It's a nice color. It's not as green as you'd expect it to be. It's more like silvery, and I'm a fan of that. But yeah, with the No Fox Given, that's a bit. Camouflage. Another one of the shades in this palette I use all the freaking time. It's a great shade. I love it. It's this one right down here. I use it when I'm doing like a smoky eye. It's a great blender. What are we doing with this? We're extending our outer corner. Okay. I can do that. I figured out why they're called wings, because like I painted my door recently, right? And I had like I put some birds on it, and when you draw bird wings, you're constantly just like, oh wait, I made this wing too much bigger, now I have to make this one bigger, but now this one's bigger, now I have to make this one bigger, and then you end up with like giant wings on it, like your little itty bitty bird. Same thing with eyeliner. I extended it too much. This Tarte palette, it's the Tarte Toasted palette. That does have a brown shimmery eyeshadow color in it that I will just put on my waterline and pretend I'm not crying in pain the whole time. So yeah, this color is called Crackle. It's this one right here that I will be using. I hate waterlining. I hate waterlining so much. Oh, my ass, my ass. This Unleashed palette that I got actually came with like a mini version of the Big Ego mascara, but I liked it so much, I went out and bought a big one. I'm such a fan. I mean, like, look at that difference. Let's talk about the look. So I've moved my phone closer for like the final look of the makeup look. How do you do that thing? It's like, is this it? Am I doing it right? This is it. Yeah, so I added a lip gloss and a lipstick from the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection because I wanted it to have like, I didn't like that the lip was dark, it was like just pear. So I added this, it's like a purple neutral color. It's called, well, it came in a little set, I love it. It's called Salt Life, spelled with a Y. This look was mainly just eyes, that's fine by me. I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm glad I'm not going anywhere today. We'll do some close-ups, I'll take some selfies.
More fire! Rock your body, like rock that, homie! Let's go!
Yeah, that was me following a makeup tutorial for the Tarte Unleashed palette. So I want to thank Maryam, obviously, for putting out the tutorial that I followed. I want to thank Tarte for making products that are cruelty-free and vegan. I'm a fan. Yeah. Did I dedicate this video? I don't think I dedicated this video at the beginning, so I'll dedicate it now. I will dedicate this video to everyone out there that's trying to learn a new skill while we're in quarantine. It's for you guys. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next Saturday. Bisous, bisous!